feeding device, raw material mixing line, measurement and weighing system, powder weighing. Adopting a fully computerized control system combining industrial PC and PLC, the mixing line system can achieve fully automatic control, store multiple sets of formulas, production statistics, random printing, real-time, dynamic monitoring, fault alarm, multi-level password protection, etc. Adopting a unique anti-stick coating and uniform structure of the measuring screw, combined with a mixing system, reduces factors that affect measuring accuracy. Adopting a system pressure balance centralized, dust removal system greatly reduces the hidden danger of dust leakage. Fully enclosed material conveying system 2 prevents secondary pollution of materials and environmental pollution. Multiple system combination modes to adapt to various factory layout.